What up, it's Adam, so welcome back to another video. In this video, I am doing an unboxing of Adidas shoes. So there we go. Adidas shoe sneakers. Yeah, there we go. So, your ground court with tennis holes. I got it on sale for Grand Court 12 size. Here you go. There we go. So my apologies about the camera shit flipping out, but let me manage that shit right now. Alright, Adidas shoes. So let's get this started. Okay. Okay. Open it. There it is. Adidas. There's a right one, and there's a left one. So there's the here's the right side with the laces. I might try them on and show it to you guys when I'm ready. Yeah. There we go. Here's the Adidas logo. Here's the Adidas logo. Here's Adidas, and here's the there's a layer. They look pretty dope. Here's Grand Court tennis shoes. So now I'm gonna try them on for you guys. See how it goes. Alright, now I got my fucking socks. Let's wear them. Alright. Oh shit. It's only on my socks. One sock. I'm still here, my voice. Just putting on my damn socks. Alright. These fucking idiots just like this shit. Oh shit, it has laces on. Oh damn. It has laces. It has laces. Okay, I'm here. Let me there we go. So now putting on my shoes. Look, they look fucking amazing. I love them. They look so amazing. So, yep. So these are my Adidas shoes. They look really nice, amazing, comfortable, and they're much better than my other Nike shoes. So yeah, shoelaces, Adidas, and Adidas shoes. The other side, they're all Adidas. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. So that's an unboxing video of Adidas shoes. So if you like the Adidas shoes video unboxing video, please subscribe, like the video, and have a good day. Bye guys.